there's a new way to make money on YouTube. And this new way will make money without filming, editing, scripting, or even using your own voice. And no, I'm not talking about creating some generic content with AI and then uploading it with stock footage and some random AI voiceover. This method is quiet, scalable, and what a number of content creators are doing in order to make more money with their YouTube channel. You could make anywhere between $300, $500, and even $1,000 this week with this method. And the best part about this is it doesn't cost you any money up front. And to make this method even sweeter, you could use AI to automate 98% of this process. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how it works step by step. I'm going to reveal the software that you need. I'm going to show you how you can get started for free, how to find clients, and how much to charge them so that you're not spending any of your own money. Now, this opportunity, because of AI, is ripe for the picking, but as more people see this opportunity, it's going to become more and more saturated. So I recommend that you A, watch this entire video, and B, take action today. Hi, my name is Alston Godbolt, and I teach platform-proof monetization. I show you step-by-step how you can make money online without having to worry about unpredictable and unstable algorithms. And if you want to be added to the globe, comment down below with your city, state, zip code, province, or country, and I'll get you pinned. In this video, we are going to cover the best opportunity to make money online using AI, but it's not going to be creating AI video. That's saturated, it's played out, and I think people are getting pretty tired of it. The reason why this method is so great is because it allows you to make money off of YouTube, even if you're not a content creator. Even if you don't want to put in the time, energy, and effort to learn how to make your own content, you can still piggyback off of the viral success that some creators have and the vast amount of money that YouTube gives away every single month. Now, most YouTubers are obsessed with going viral, and you can take advantage of that opportunity without ever having to be on camera. What I'm talking about is something called localization. Localization is the future, but until recently, it's only been available to the top 1%. And because of AI, it's now available to everybody. Now, you might be saying to yourself, Alston, what the hell is localization? And can you finally get to the point? Here's the point.
Yes, I tried it episode में मैं इस side hustle का परीक्षण करने जा रहा हूँ जो दावा कर
Most content creators only know one language, and so they only speak one language. However, as you know, the world is made up of hundreds, if not thousands, of different languages, and because of AI, we can now speak many languages with almost no effort. What we're going to do to make money online without creating videos is we are going to offer localization services to content creators. Now, in this video, as I mentioned, I'm going to tell you who to target. I'm going to tell you how much you could potentially charge and how to find your first 1 or 2 clients this week. So stay with me. So let me give you an example. Everybody knows Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast speaks English. However, a number of his videos, his most viral videos, are in a variety of languages because Mr. Beast is a global icon. And for a more localized example, my channel here is in English. However, I have a number of people that watch my videos and they have to read the subtitles in Hindi. But what if, instead, I create content in Hindi? I don't know any Hindi. I create content in Hindi and I can reach a larger audience. Now, some of those people are going to see my original videos. Some of those people are going to only watch my Hindi videos. However, I still have the opportunity as a content creator to make more money with a whole new market. Because, as we know, India has billions of people. And that's the opportunity that we can take advantage of simply using AI. All right, so let's go ahead and get into part 1 and talk about how this model actually works. So basically what we are going to do is we are going to help YouTubers that are growing but not a 1% YouTuber expand their reach so that they can start making money faster. We simply take the content that they already have, usually the videos that have done the best in their native language, and then we can repurpose it in other languages at almost no cost to us. Simply put, a content creator speaks only English. However, we can take that viral video that was only spoken in English and turn it into Spanish, Hindi, Portuguese, and French with a click of the button. And the best part about it is they grow, they start making money, and they're going to want to continue to work with you. In addition, we don't have to speak all of these different languages. We don't need any editing skills because the original content creator already did all the editing for us. And we don't even need to spend any of our own money up front. This might be the perfect business. All right, so let's go ahead and get into earning potential. As you can see on the screen, you can charge per video, per language, or even offer monthly packages. Now, what I would recommend is push people to that monthly package so that you can have reoccurring income. And then even within the monthly packages, you can have a bronze, silver, and platinum level tiers to charge even more. So as you can see there, if you charge per video, I recommend charging at least $50. Okay, the software that we're going to be using is relatively expensive. It does have unlimited uploads to kind of offset that price for now, but charge at least $50. Once people start seeing value, you can charge anywhere between $300 and $1,000 per month for repeat business. And I guarantee you, most content creators aren't doing this yet. So it is ripe for the picking. However, you want to act on this as soon as possible. So let's go ahead and get into how you can get started with this method for free. So the tool that I recommend using, in fact, the tool that I use is called HeyGen. While HeyGen has a free trial, I recommend that you work with content creators that are going to pay you upfront so that you're not spending money out of pocket and they can get what they delivered. In just a minute, we'll take a look at HeyGen so I can show you exactly how to get started. But I recommend that you get payment at least half upfront so that you're not paying money out of pocket. What we want to do to get started is we want to start targeting YouTubers that have at least 5,000 subscribers. And the reason why we want to target content creators that have at least 5,000 subscribers is because most likely they're getting paid by YouTube. They understand that spending money on YouTube is an expense or an investment that they can get back, and they're probably going to see the value of creating their same content in different languages. Also, they're probably not aware of tools like HeyGen that can automate this process relatively quickly. So here's what we're going to do step by step. Step one, we are going to find content creators that could benefit from this. We are going to go search YouTube and look for channels in the education, finance, productivity, self-improvement, or tech space. The reason is that's going to be the most versatile space. There's going to be lots of content creators that are in that space, and there's going to be even more people that are consuming that content from all over the world. Again, we're going to look for YouTubers that have at least 5,000 subscribers. Step number two is we are going to slide in the DMs or send an email. Now, in full honesty and transparency, these guys probably get a ton of messages and emails, so you're going to have to shoot your shot a bunch. But you could essentially send this email. Hey, first name, I love your content. I help creators expand into global audiences by translating and dubbing their videos into other languages. I'd love to offer a sample translation for one of your videos. No cost, no commitment. If it helps grow your reach, we can talk about making it a regular thing. Or what you can do is you can use the translation services and create a video of your own. Tell them to check out your YouTube video where you offer translation services. The benefit of that is that you're not working a whole bunch for free. You are demonstrating that you have this ability and that they could benefit from it. Most importantly, what I would recommend that you do is you're going to have to send a lot of DMs, and don't be pushy, okay? You are trying to build a client base. Some people are going to be turned off by this. Some people are not going to be interested. You're probably going to have to send a number of emails and DMs every single day. Also, to make it more personal, if you are sending an email to someone that's in the productivity space, say, hey, Jack Black, your content about productivity is great. I especially liked, and then mention something from the most recent video, maybe the 3 tips that they offered, and then say, I think you could really benefit from having your voice on the global stage. Oftentimes when I get these messages, they're pretty generic, and it's easy to tell that they've just copied and pasted, sprayed and prayed across 30 or 40 YouTube channels per day. And then step 3, use HeyGen. You can use the free tier or free trial, which I'll show you in just a moment. So I'm going to put a link in the description to HeyGen if you want to use it. Right now, it's not an affiliate link. It might be an affiliate link later on. But the great thing about HeyGen, and I'm going to show you this is the back office. And I have a number of videos that have been translated to Hindi because I see the opportunity. What you're going to do once you have a free account is you click on Create Video, and then you can click on Video Translation. You can get the link from a video, which is really crazy. You can get a link from a YouTube video and just paste it right in here. Use video URL. You can ask the client to send you a link of the video that they want translated, and then they can paste it right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this video that I just uploaded. I'm going to click on Share, Copy, and then I can paste it right here just like this, and then click on Create New Translation. On the next page, it is going to auto detect my language or the language of the creator. And then I can choose a language. I can do one language or I can do multiple. Here, I'm going to choose Hindi because that is the second most popular language on my channel. It's going to auto-detect everything else, and then you click on Submit for translation. And then in about, 20, 30 minutes, maybe even an hour, I will get a video that is in Hindi. And right now, I'll actually show you what that video looks like. I've had people comment and say, "Did you learn Hindi?" And I tell them, "Nope, it's AI." And people are astonished.
दूं न कि केवल मेरे खुद के जेब में पैसे डालने के लिए। और अगर आप इस ग्लोब में जोड़े जाना चाहते हैं तो बस नीचे अपनी सिटी, स्टेट, प्रोविंस, देश के साथ रिप्लाई या कमेंट करें और मैं आपको पिन कर दूंगा। ठीक है, जैसा कि मैंने उल्लेख किया, इस वीडियो में हम उस साइड हसल पर नजर डालने जा रहे हैं जो दावा करता है कि हम हर 60 सेकंड में $60 कमा सकते हैं। मैं उस सटीक प्रक्रिया का खुलासा करने जा रहा हूं जो मूल कंटेंट क्रिएटर ने सुझाई थी। मैं इस बारे में बात करने जा रहा हूं कि क्या ये काम करता है।
And as I mentioned, you actually have the opportunity to do multiple languages, but I would focus on just one to help grow the business. Now, you can offer multiple languages as an added bonus or upsell, but just have their most popular second language as the language that's translated. And so, as I mentioned, you can either deliver a snippet in order to secure the customer or link to your YouTube video in which you have translated to a different language. So let's go ahead and talk about pricing because everyone wants to know how much money can you make from this. If we take a look at the screen here, you can offer per video pricing, but I recommend that you offer packages, so multiple videos per month, so that you can have reoccurring income. So you can do between $20 and $50 per translated video. Now, with the level that I'm on, you can do up to 30-minute videos. So keep that in mind and let them know that if you're going to do an hour-long video, it's going to be much more. Or you can offer a bundle where you do 3 videos for $100. But the real opportunity is in offering a monthly subscription service. As I mentioned, the level of service that I'm on, I can do unlimited videos. So I could work with 5, 6, 7 clients and just keep copying and pasting links in all day, every day. And I make $300 or more per client per month at 5 clients. You can see that turns into a real business. Again, as I mentioned, make sure that you are pitching reoccurring offers. Offer a discount in the first month. So tell them that you'll do 10 videos a month for $1,000. However, the first month, it'll be $500. They will never know. They'll think that's a great steal, a great deal, and they'll jump at it. And you will have covered at least the cost of the software, and it's really simple. So let me know what you think so far. Do you think this is a real opportunity? Do you think I'm just making this up, or do you think I'm just blowing smoke? Now let's go ahead and talk about how you could get your first 2 clients within 7 days. What you need to do is you need to outreach. You're going to have to reach out to at least 10 YouTubers per day. And again, make sure they have at least 5,000 subscribers. And it should be in the personal finance, self-improvement, tutorials, health and wellness, and productivity. I think $5,000 subscribers is a sweet spot because they're probably making a decent amount on YouTube every single month and it's not going to hurt them. And I think it's a good opportunity because they're still small enough where they're not getting a ton of brand deals and a ton of spam emails. And so they're going to be checking their emails or they're going to be looking at their DMs, and they probably have a few viral videos, but nothing crazy. Look for signs they already have global viewers. Look for creators posting consistent content. Another thing that you can do is you can ask them to go into their analytics and share with you their second and third most popular languages. Or if you are outside of the United States, let's say you're in France, you could do this for other French content creators and tell them that you'll do English for them. That's another opportunity as well. So we've got the script that you can DM. We've already covered that. And then make sure you push for reoccurring revenue. I really want you to push for reoccurring revenue. And for an added bonus, you could even build a little community. Build a community of people that are interested, that have taken advantage of your services, and then offer discounts and specials. Black Friday deals, Easter Sunday deals. If you buy a bundle of 3, instead of it being $150, it's $75 for the next 10 people. That's how you build a business. You have direct access to your customers or your subscriber base. You have their names and their emails. That's how you build a real business and community. But we're going to talk about how you can automate or outsource most of this so that you're not spending all of your time working with clients. And there's a few things that you can do. As you can see here, we're going to talk about how you can automate and scale to $1,000 per month. You want to make sure that you turn one-off clients into monthly subscription revenue. And what you can do is you can actually build a Google form where after they submit a payment, you can have them submit a link to you of the video they want transcribed and the language they want it transcribed in. Then you could have a virtual assistant that you hire from the Philippines to go in and check this form, Google form, once per day, and simply copy the link, paste it into the Heijin that I just showed you, change the language, and then you send an email once it's ready. How simple and easy is that? You can automate most of the process, and you're not spending all of your time working with clients. So what you would want to do in order to streamline and automate this is, once you start having a group of people that are interested in this, you're going to want a way to collect payments. You can use Stripe, PayPal, Payoneer, it doesn't matter. Have a Google form, have an email marketing service. You could use Gbolt systems to do this in order to email your clients, email your audience and let them know when a video is ready, or email them and let them know that you're offering discounts or you have a new package or anything along those lines. And the best part about this is that you can do this from anywhere in the world, right? So what I would recommend that you do today after this video is to reach out to 10 people, right? This is going to take a lot of client outreach, and it's going to take you having to learn what to say to a client. Your first couple times it's probably not going to go well. You might stutter over what to say. You might say the wrong things. But the more you do this, the better you'll get at cold DMing and cold calling and cold messaging, the better you get at this and you start landing clients. That's really what it all comes down to. This is going to be a numbers game. The more you do it, the more it'll work and the more money that you can make. So let me know what you think. Do you think this is a real opportunity? Do you think this is a real business? Could you see yourself doing something like this? Or maybe starting this service-based industry and then outsourcing it, hiring a team of people to do the work for you? Let me know what you think in the comment section. And if you want to learn how to monetize your YouTube channel in just 2 days, watch this video next.